Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank L3280. I'm going to show you how to copy document with this printer. So open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the right. You will see arrow on the right side. Then go to the home screen, use left or right arrow button, go to the copy, then select OK to copy. Use up or down to select number of copies. First, use up or down to select number of copies. Then use right arrow or left arrow button to select in color. Then select OK. You go to the print settings. Then use down arrow to go to the settings. Then you select densities. Then use side arrow to adjust the density. Then select OK. Then scroll down again. After density, show you the paper. Then use right arrow to confirm the paper. After, it will show you actual size, custom size 100%, original size A4 paper, single page, quality standard, or use right arrow to select high, so standard. So go to the settings, we show you density, paper settings, reduce or enlarge, you scroll down, custom 100%, original size A4, multi-page, single page. Multi-page will show you, if you select right arrow, it will show you single page or 2-page up. Can also go back. Scroll down again, it show you the quality, ID card, copy, off, borderless copy, on or off. It's currently off. If you want borderless, then you select this. Give you option for you to switch it on or off. Scroll down again, it show you density. After you done that, then you select OK, then select start to copy. This is the document we copied. If you want to copy document two-sided, then you need to reload it on the paper tray. Reload it on the rear paper tray. Confirm the paper, A4 plain paper, then select OK to confirm it. Now I want us to copy different paper. So take this paper, put it on the glass scanner, A4, then close the cover. Then you select the same feature, copy the document in color. If you want to copy it in black and white, then select right arrow, go to black and white, confirm OK. It will show you black and white. Then select settings, then you select the density, etc. Then select OK to confirm it. Then press this button to copy. So we're going to copy this in black and white. This is the document. We copied this page in color and copied this one in black and white. Another way to copy document is for us to use mobile phone. So put the document you want to copy on the glass scanner, for example. So put the document on the glass scanner, face down, then select copy. Then you select copy or ID card copy or borderless copy. So select copy, standard. Then you select black and white if you want to copy in black and white. If you want to copy in color, then you select color. Density, you can adjust the density according to your preference. Reduce size, actual size, 1 to 1 side, real paper, the size A4 plain paper, standard. single page. Then select number of copies, then select start. So you can copy using mobile phone as well. So this is the document we copied. You can copy two-sided. To do that, you need to reload it on the tray. Reload it on the tray. Then confirm the paper A4 plain paper. Or if you have different paper, then you select change. What you have here is A4, then you select OK. Now I want us to copy this page. Open the glass scanner, stick the paper you want to copy face down, close the cover, then select we want to copy it in color, then you select number of copies, then select start. This is the paper we copied two-sided. You can see what it looks like. So these are ways to copy documents with this printer. You can copy using the mobile phone from Epson Smart Panel, or you copy from the control panel. Thank you very much indeed.